Okay, so g'day. Welcome back to another coin challenge, or maybe not a challenge, but maybe I just got too much stuff on the actual table. I keep smacking the actual camera because I don't have enough room. Anyway, so this is what you can find when you actually find stuff on eBay and also online. Actually, eBay is probably the best site for me to buy coins. Online is like different coin sites have a lot more expensive coins, and also there's a lot less variety. So East Africa 1935, these are probably about $5-10. Here we have a proof coin from Barbados, $1. So this is the larger version. It's 10 years of independence, 1976. The rest of them should be in this. It should be a whole proof set, which I'm going to make a whole video on. Okay, so basically, yeah. So this is well packed, and I keep that to reuse. So what do we have? We have the Barbados coins, and I've just got sticky tape, so that might tone in the future because of that. Okay, so we've got this one was never issued in circulation, $2. Issued as a proof coin for various years. And this is a single year issue though, because of the commemorative version of it. So I've got quite a few. East Africa. Seems East Africa is not too hard to get. Some dates are actually a bit hard. And this one looks like the last year issue. Should be 1964. Yes. East Africa. And these were replaced about 1966 with the coins of Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania. So they issued their own coins, as well as Somalia replaced these in 1950 with the shilingo. Okay, but now the East African, I'll probably just update my collection and then I'll resell the rest. But these square coins we're going to look at in a minute, and I'll do a lot of videos on these. So there, in the 1970s, the Dutch had quite a few commemorative coins. Okay, this camera wants to play funny buggers. Okay, so the first coin is 19. Okay, which one's an actual coin? Okay, so this one's Netherlands Antilles. So this was issued in the Caribbean. It was copied off Dutch coin, and this is 1963. So this is an actual coin, and the other two are fantasies. So what we have is we have one dated 1938, and you can see the style's quite different. This one has Queen Beatrix 1980. So obviously she became queen, or did she abdicate in 1980 or whatever? I think she became queen in 1980, so it can't be 1938 because I don't think she was born. Okay, so that's the first. And plus, they never issued a coin with her portrait like that. And the next one is it says 1948. And these look like they're made out of steel. And this one has Wilhelmina Modestes Vaderlands. They didn't even spell the Netherlands correctly, so it's one mistake. And it's 1945. Okay, I think she became queen in 1948, which is this date here. And they didn't have a square coin in the Netherlands in 1948, it was a round coin. And obviously in the Netherlands Antilles they used a coin similar to this. So basically, these are interesting. You can pick them up for about $5 each. So I don't know why they actually issued these, but they'll be more like medals than coins. But there's quite a few varieties, so that's those ones. Then we have a whole bunch of coins of Kenya. So these bimetal coins here, the ones that they use in circulation. So this highest coin is this 20 shilling. They're all pretty. So this is the older version. In 2018 they issued an animal version, and these should still be in circulation. So 20 shillings, roughly about 20 cents, but I've got these for these two coins, a 1971 and there is a 1966 2 shillings. So I think the last vintage of this was 1975. These are about $5 to $10 each. And then we got a lot of other coins. So now the first coin, or one of the first coins I got, was this 10 Kenya cents. This is what got me into coin collecting, as well as the Australian 50 cent, because it's just a big coin like the 1 penny size, but it replaced this coin here. So this is the East African shilling. It's a bit thinner, but in 1966 this coin replaced that in circulation. But the Ugandan and the Tanzanian 10 cents was a bit different. I think the Ugandan one was smaller, and the Tanzanian was not issued, I think, till 1975. And as you can see, blah 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 blah. So basically that's all those coins, and then we have the rest. I think we got some South African coins here as well. So 1943, I think it's pretty common, bet from memory, bet I think 12 million or whatever. Here with the Queen Elizabeth II effigy, 1954, and we'll look at 5 shilling. So 1985, 5 shilling. So they issued this coin in 1985. You can see it's a coat of arms. This is uncirculated. It has the president of the time, Arap Moi, and currently this coin is a smaller bimetal coin there. So that's basically it from this lot. Then we've got the other proof coins. Here we have the smaller 10 cents. So I'll make a video on this series and what you would be paying for it. Anyway, hope this helps you with your coin collecting. And as you can see, got the Brazilian coins there lined up to actually make a video on. Start from the youngest, so the current coins, to the oldest, which is these aluminium bronze coins for either the Cruzeiro, Cruzado Reis, and the Reis coins. Okay, anyway, let me know which is your favourite coin in this lot. Thank you very much. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. And yeah, they're 10 shillings from Kenya. Take care.